Vicks is the perfect zero waste solution for babies, adults, pregnant women, breastfeeding mom, basically for everyone out there. And it is good for the environment. Also, there's a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to Honest Lifestyle. Those who are new here, I'm Khushi and this channel is all about productivity, healthy food, minimalism and low waste lifestyle. So do subscribe for new videos every week. Well, firstly I want to start by thanking each and every one of you out there. We are now a family of 1000 plus and the credit goes to every one of you out there who have been supporting me till date and who have been there for me all throughout my journey. So thank you guys, it means a lot to me. I'm just so happy that this day has come. And if you remember when we reached 500 subscribers and I had a giveaway planned, that time I had told that once we reach 1000, we will have 2 giveaways. So I'll have one giveaway in this video and another giveaway after 2 weeks. When I announce the winner of this giveaway, I'll have another giveaway then. I'll tell about the giveaway later in this video. For now, let me talk to you about the Vicks that I'm going to prepare. Well, basically it has 2 ingredients, just 2 ingredients. One is desi ghee, that is desi cow ghee, and second one is the camphor or the kapoor in Hindi. So the ghee which I'm talking about, it has been used from ages and it works excellent in loosening the cough and congestion naturally. Also, it helps you and your body to fight against the bacteria and the infections. So it's an excellent way to treat cough and cold. Now, the second ingredient is camphor. Camphor, as we all know, has some amazing properties. It is anti-inflammatory, it is antifungal, it is antibacterial. And on top of that, it helps to fight the bacteria and fight germs, and it prevents from cough and cold happening in the first place. Camphor also helps with the respiratory function and it helps relieve the pain. So it is really good if you can include it in your daily mopping of the floor and etc. I even have a video on my channel in which I have prepared a zero waste phenyl from the scratch, which has camphor and few other awesome ingredients. So if you want your home plastic free and chemical free, do check that out. Now the store-bought Vicks also has camphor in it. However, the one which we are making is the lighter version of it, and hence it is more soothing and obviously more natural, and it can be used for everyone. It is perfectly safe to use for babies, pregnant women and breastfeeding moms as well. However, if your baby is lesser than 3 months old, I would suggest you to not use it directly on their skin. You can apply it maybe on their pillows or on their bed sheets and keep it beside them. I'll again be sharing home remedies which will be zero waste completely, for which you can use for babies lesser than 3 months as well. So stay tuned for that. Another thing that you have to keep in mind while applying this is that you have to apply it on the chest, on the back of the person you're trying to treat, and on under the feet. So you have to apply at these 3 places, and if you're treating someone who is above 1 year of age, then you can apply it on the nose as well. For babies lesser than 1 year, you can apply it under the feet and on the chest and on the back. Also, try to cover the areas and avoid the exposure of air so that it works better and it will relieve you from cough and cold more easily and more instantly. So without further ado, let's prepare this homemade Vicks and stay tuned for the giveaway details.
Turn on the gas on low flame and pour around 4 to 5 tablespoons of desi ghee in it. Once the ghee is added and is little warm, add camphor in it. I'm adding around 8 to 9 camphor tablets since mine are super thin. If you have normal thick camphor pieces, about 4 to 5 should be enough. Now you will see that the camphor will quickly dissolve. After that, let the mixture simmer on low flame for about 2 minutes, and then once you see the fumes and your home smells like camphor and Vicks, it's time to turn off the heat. It's that simple. At this stage, close the pan so that the fragrance is contained in the mixture. Once it cools down, transfer it to any small glass or a old plastic jar. I chose old plastic jar as I have made this for Varu and he can be very naughty at times, so it's safer this way. You have to give it a try, guys. Trust me, I have used it so many times and it works really well. I use it on a regular basis and I have no complaints whatsoever. In about 15-20 minutes, it will solidify completely and you can use it as you would use a store-bought mix. Just take little on your finger and apply it.
Also, a quick update regarding channel. There will be a lot of more videos in the coming future where I will try to help you guys with making your minimalism and zero waste journey easier, especially if you are in India. And also I'll be giving you a lot of home remedies and home based products which you can prepare from scratch easily and avoid the plastic. There will also be videos about how we can inculcate minimalism and zero waste or low waste lifestyle among the kids in our life, be it our own kids or the kids in our family. It's very important that they learn to live simpler lives and they understand the importance of producing low waste in our life in their lifetime, because they need to understand their duty and their responsibility towards the environment. And there will be a lot of other videos on productivity, financial minimalism, budgeting, planning, how to save money, all of those things, and some very simple and nice healthy recipes that I've prepared over the years, and I've got hang of it, so I share those with you as well. Now coming to the most exciting part, the giveaway.
So, guys, this week's giveaway is a book. There are options from which you can choose. First is a combo of two books, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind and Think and Grow Rich. Both are super inspirational and my personal favorites. Second one is Sudha Murthy's Grandma's Bag of Story for the Little Ones in Your Life. It's an awesome book with some great stories. Third is Robin Sharma's The 5 a.m. Club. This again is a beautiful book if you want to have positive changes in your life. So you will get to choose option 1, 2 or 3 as per your choice of books.
So the rules of the giveaway are quite simple. What you have to do is, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, you have to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications. This is rule number 1. Now if you've already subscribed, you don't need to do this step. The second step is to come be a part of our journey on Instagram. I go by the same name, Earnest Lifestyle, on Instagram as well. In case you do not have an Instagram account, you can like our Facebook page, which is again with the same name, Earnest Lifestyle. So this is step number 2. Now coming to the third and the final part, you have to like this video, that is you have to hit the like button down below, and you have to comment and tell me which is your favorite book of all time and how has that book impacted your life. So the one answer which I find most interesting or the one answer which I find inspiring, I will contact you. You will get to choose the book and the book will be delivered to you. Now the winner of this giveaway will be announced on 24th of January. It will be announced on my Instagram handle, on my Facebook page, as well as on the YouTube channel as well. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for being a part of our family. Thank you for all your love and support. New video will be out soon. See you soon. Stay happy and stay blessed.